These are the Amanora Gateway Towers, and we are here because worldwide the first SuperTube installation takes place.
Tower 100 has a special architectural feature, and here we needed some better hydraulics. And this is the time Geberit got in touch with us, and we realized that he had the best solution to offer.
Special about this project is that we have 18 high-rise buildings next to the coast, and we were able to provide our HEP SuperTube solution.
It was a very big challenge for us in order to achieve the best value engineering and the minimum duct. We are very satisfied by Geberit team here. They are very high skilled people, and whenever we are asking for any technical support, they are there.
We have come across Geberit, who has supported us in terms of finding a solution for combining all three pipes into one, which is the single stack system.
We had some challenges with local authority, with Dubai municipality, convincing them that the system was appropriate and the engineering was correct.
So we invited them to the site. They saw it themselves. They got convinced and they gave us the unconditional approval later.
It's ultimately the customer who benefits, because the less vertical rises, the more space.
We're here in Parramatta, where the Geberit SuperTube system has been installed as a performance solution in the tallest riverfront tower in west of Sydney.
The flow that we were able to achieve through the SuperTube system meant that we were able to keep a smaller bore pipe size throughout the whole stack system and reduce great amounts of venting.
SuperTube is definitely on our shopping list in the future, and as our new products come up, that's the one that we'll be using.